Welcome back to the Worldly Traveler. Today we're in one of the most iconic beachfront cities in the United States, South Beach, Miami. And we're about to uncover a true gem nestled on historic Ocean Drive, the Betsy Hotel, a luxury boutique haven that blends timeless elegance, culture, and oceanfront charm. This is the Betsy, known for its classic style, artistic soul, and unparalleled location just steps from the Atlantic. Let's go inside. Originally opened in 1942 and later reimagined as the Betsy South Beach. This hotel stands out not just for its luxury, but for its personality and dedication to culture. You're right on Ocean Drive here. That stretch of Art Deco world-famous beachfront architecture and Miami energy that defines South Beach. Step inside and you'll feel it immediately. Warm wood tones, curated artwork, a library, even live jazz some evenings. This isn't just a hotel, it's a cultural experience. Rooms and suites at the Betsy vary from elegant Caribbean-inspired to spacious ocean view retreats. Thoughtful touches like curated bookshelves, plush linens, and art-forward decor make every stay feel unique. Luxury here doesn't stop with interiors. There's a gorgeous courtyard pool tucked behind tropical foliage, and a rooftop infinity pool with sweeping views of the Atlantic. And just steps across Ocean Drive, South Beach, Miami's iconic sandy shoreline. It's where sun, surf, and that vibrant Miami vibe come together. The Betsy is also known for its culinary experiences. From a cafe inspired by local flavors to fine dining led by acclaimed chefs. You'll find everything from brunch to late-night cocktails right here. Whether you want a coffee before beach time or a sophisticated dinner after sunset, the dining options here deliver both taste and ambience. One of the things that truly sets the Betsy apart is how it blends hospitality with culture. Every night, live jazz fills the piano bar. No cover, no minimum, creating a cozy yet vibrant atmosphere. And art lovers, take note. Curated exhibitions and programs throughout the year make the Betsy feel more like a creative hub than a hotel. Step outside and South Beach awaits. From the open-air shops and dining of Lincoln Road to the palm-lined stretches of Lummus Park that border the beach, you're perfectly positioned to explore it all. Whether you want art galleries, nightlife, cafe culture, or shell collecting on the sand, this neighborhood delivers. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Betsy takes on a different kind of magic. Rooftop drinks, ocean breezes, and live music set the tone for an unforgettable Miami evening. So whether you're here for relaxation or inspiration, this boutique hotel is a South Beach experience unlike any other. That wraps up our journey through the Betsy Hotel, South Beach, a place where luxury, culture, history, and beachfront living come together. If you enjoyed this tour, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more hidden gems and world-class stays from the Worldly Traveler. From Ocean Drive to rooftop skies, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.